Incremental routines. So the next steps is just getting tutoring sessions. That is one off because that's what you needed. One off. Like, hey, the fridge doesn't work. I need someone to fix it, and that's it. No. I'm not going to fix the fridge, the refrigerator. I'm going to fix it, but I'm going to I'm going to teach how to do it. Therefore, you're not going to require my assistance in the future, which is pretty bad for my business because you're not going to repeat as a customer. But that's my point. It's my philosophy. I'm going to provide you the free learning skills. So you are your own teacher. You are not going to require my assistance anymore. It's my definition of success. Then what I can see, because is the tutoring. I have been doing tutoring for years, but it's not scaling in quantity. I'll think of this from the course. That hey, get a 4 sessions block, so it's cheaper or something like that. And whoever gets tutoring, by default, automatically, they will get free stuff that will be paid gold to get you started. Like my templates, styling, something that I teach you how to do it for free, but for peak convenience, you just have the files, boom, done. You're just paying convenience at the end of the day. Everything will know how to do it for free. And especially because after more than half a year of publishing the course, I had very few donations, fewer than one per month. So it's not working. I don't know if it's because it's not finished yet. It's pay what you want, donation based. By default, it's free. And if that doesn't work out, and I cannot put time for the mastery, at least I will help some people. But the fluency is doing a lot already. That's all for now. See you incrementally.